the fridge that came with our auction house went out. It's getting way too cold and it's freezing and exploding our canned drinks. A few busted over this last week and my mom just stopped by and it's not good over there. So we're gonna run to Lowe's, price check some refrigerators. Well, they're gonna be expensive. So we'll see what we're gonna do. We're looking at this one. It's $488. It's the cheapest one we've seen so far. I told Dad we need to get one with the ice dispenser so you can put M&Ms in it.
That's not my budget.
These ones really aren't in our budget. We got it. We made it to the auction house with the new fridge. Now we're gonna go get it unloaded. We're gonna see what the damage is like. Oh my goodness gracious. Wowzers. Look at all of them. Wow. So I got all of the sodas, water, Capri Suns, and Izzy's out. Y'all, it is not good up in here. Now I have to brave touching the cans. We got all the drinks out. Now we're opening it up. So this is the old fridge. It has to be old. Like, look at that. But here's the new one. We're about to get it plugged in and get it clean. All right, we got it all set up. These are all the drinks that we offer, and then we have some extras down here, and then our condiments, and then a couple extras over there. Are you tired?
Tired doing this.